Hey everybody, I have a real quick video. I had a catalytic converter on a Chevy S10 that had a hole in it. So I failed inspection. If you look closely, you can see the dark areas around the catalytic converter. That shows you where the leak was probably. So you have to jack the truck up, and what I did was, again, you can see the dark spots. I ran it and I could feel right around here where the air was escaping. Just remember though, that this catalytic converter has a cover. What you see there is actually the outside cover. You have to take the cover off in order to fix the leak. It's like a heat shield that you're seeing right now. And I dropped the exhaust and I undid that joint over there. The hardest thing was taking out these two bolts that held the exhaust hanger on. So you're gonna take those two bolts out, and that's going to allow the back part of the exhaust towards the back of the truck to drop down. You don't have to undo the part in front of the catalytic converter. Once you drop the exhaust hangers and you undo those three bolts in the exhaust flange there, you can drop the rear end of it all down, so that way you can access the top of the catalytic converter depending on where your hole is. The holes were shallow, so I didn't have to do much, just apply some paste. So that wasn't too difficult. If it had been a deeper hole, I would have had to do more, maybe use exhaust tape or some type of patching agent. Just make sure whatever you use is high heat. And so, and by the way, when you do this, you're going to probably need tools. I didn't, because my hands are just that strong. So what you're going to do is, like I said, this is what I used in some previous videos to patch exhaust holes, and it's been working so far. So I just applied a little bit of that, not too much. You see how that little is shallow, it's on the edge of the converter. So I just applied it with the tube. I kind of got gloves, rubber gloves, applied on the top and on the underside. Don't do too much, and the stuff takes a little while to set up. So you're gonna kind of feed it into the holes. That's the underside there. You're gonna patch that up like that, and it's gonna take about 2 to 4 hours to cure, according to the instructions. And then once you let it dry, just run the vehicle again, feel for the leak, and you should be good to go. Just make sure you put the cover back on. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Have a blessed day.